Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about the functions. So first of all the question arises, what is function? So function is a block of code, or you can say it is a sequence of codes. So why we use functions? The main question is why we need to use the functions, why we can't do our coding without functions. So let us take an example. For example, if you have some code, for example you want to perform the addition, multiplication, division and subtraction of a number and print that, then and you have to perform the same thing 10 times in your program, then what you can do? One thing is that you have to write all the thing 10 times, and one thing is that you can create a function for this and just pass the different values so that you can get the different result. So this is the basic use of the function. Okay, so now let us learn this, or know how to use this with the help of very simple example. Here I have started PHP tag. Then the syntax for creating the function: first you have to write the function keyword, then the name of the function, then the parenthesis. You can also write within the parentheses, which are called arguments. We will also learn about this. So first we are learning about the very simple function. First you have to write the function, then the name of the function, and then the parenthesis, and then within the curly braces you have to write the statement what you want to execute when the function is called. Here I have written echo within the h1 tag hello. So when we call the hello function, it will print hello. So after this I have uh, called the function hello. For calling any function you have to simply write that the name of the function with the parenthesis. Okay, so when we call this function it will write hello. After that I have created second function. This is the function with the argument. First you have to write the same thing, that is keyword function, then the name of the function, that is add nums. We are creating this function to add for addition of two numbers. Then one argument is number 1 and another is number 2. These are the variables. And then I have created another variable named result, and it saved and perform the addition of this number 1 and number 2 and save this in the result. Okay, and then what is this? Return. Return is a statement which return a single value to the calling place. For example, when we call this function, it will return the result to that. Means at that place we can save the result in any variable. Okay, so after this function I have called the add nums with the arguments 2 and 5 and save this in the $a variable, which is returned by this statement. Okay, then simply printed echo a is equal to $a, that is the value of a. Simple. Here we have created two functions, one is hello and another is add nums. Hello is a simple function with just a simple echo statement, and add nums is a function with two arguments. You can use one argument, you can use three, or as many arguments you want. Then simply perform the addition and return the value of result. Okay, so I have saved this with the function.php in the tutorial folder, in www folder. So now let us execute this. For this you have to run the web server, then in the localhost tutorial function.php. Here is the output, hello, and then a is equal to 7, which is the addition of 2 and 5. Very simple thing, but very useful thing. So practice it, learn it, and use it. Thank you very much.